My name is Amelina Randhawa and thank you to MYK News. There is a message for my Pakistani people. Peace and harmony means living together. Wars can only cause destruction and lose people's life. Peace and harmony helps in getting inner satisfaction. Peace and harmony teaches us to live in peace or in calm. Every religion teaches us or help us to live in peace and harmony. There is a message for my Pakistani people. To make Pakistani, there is a wider role of Christian communities. And please treat Christian equally.